Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how I refresh and how I restyle my hair throughout the week. I think this is about day 3 or day 4 of my having this protective style in my hair, and I can already feel that my hair just needs some extra moisture as well. So after refreshing my hair, I might not necessarily go and redo the same hairstyle, but I'll come up with something for the rest of the week. So I'm just going to start off by removing the pins in my hair. And another thing as well, I like to avoid using a comb at this stage because my hair has been stretched out for the past couple of days. But if I do run into some tangles, then I'll just take out my white tooth comb over here, which I have just in case I need to use it. So I'm just going to undo all of this. A henna tea, which I got the recipe off Proverbs channel, as my moisturizer. And then I'm going to follow that up by using the Jamaican black castor oil. And then next I'll be using the Suki Naturals sheer cream as my sealant. So I'm just going to start by separating my hair into sections as I go. I prefer to use my fingers first and try to finger detangle my hair, and then use the comb at the end if I have to. I'm just going to start by using the henna spray on my scalp, and then I'm just going to spray it along my hair, and then I'm just going to work that in. Once I've smoothed in all the products, the henna tea and the castor oil and the sheer cream, I'm just going to twist my hair and just make a bantu knot. And in that way I can keep my hair stretched until I restyle it again a bit later on. Hey guys, so this is the next morning after I re-stretched my hair and I refreshed it by moisturizing my hair. So we're just going to take this down now. So yesterday I used the henna tea to refresh my hair. That was the first time doing that, because I normally use it as a tea rinse after my shampoo. So you can see my hair is very moisturized. It's not dry at all. comb it up and brush it into position, into the style that I want. I'm just going to go for something very simple. So once I've done that, what I like to do is just to use my silk scarf just to lay it a bit more flat. Not flat, but just to make it more smoother. So on an ordinary day, if I was going to work, I'd just do my makeup now. And then once I'm done with that, then I'll just remove this and everything lays just a bit more smoother and a bit more flatter. So guys, that's how I refresh and how I restyle my hair throughout the week. I hope you found this video to be helpful to you and you found some tips that you can use as part of your hair regimen as well. So this is basically what I've ended up with. I keep my styles pretty simple. And this is a protective style. As long as your ends are tucked in and they're not exposed to your clothes and they're not rubbing against your shoulders and stuff like that, your hair is in a protective style. But the most important thing to remember is to moisturize your hair whilst it's in a protective style. For example, if I did this today and I stayed for another 7 days without touching my hair would be extremely dry. So do try to take down your style maybe halfway, re-moisturize it, and then just redo it. Or you can do something pretty simple again, just to make it last a bit longer. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.